Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC compressor relay and AC fuse are located on this 2010 Chevy Silverado 2500HD with the gas Vortec engine. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. So go in there, pop your hood. Right over here is your fuse box. I already took the cover off for the sake of time. This relay right here is your AC compressor relay. And your AC fuse is this first fuse right here. So AC compressor relay, AC fuse. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.